We'll look at the faucet from Amazon, made in China. Supply lines, pop-up stopper, and then the faucet. What's really nice when you're doing a new sink, you can install the spigot and the supply lines with the sink off of the base. Here's the setup. I've got a towel here holding it so don't scratch that, and then a towel on the floor, no movement. Remove these two washers, I believe, go on the back side. I'll show that in a minute. This piece here just fits in that little slot. So you want hot left, cold on the right. I believe the rubber washers snug up against the porcelain so this doesn't slide around, whereas the plastic has a tendency to slide. So I'm going to pull the faucet all the way forward so it's straight. Make sure the unit is lined up where you want. Snug them up. Finger tight is sufficient, but I just give it a little bump to ensure they don't move. You don't want to go too tight, it's just plastic. Strip out. Supply line next. These go on the water valves, and this goes on here. And they have a little rubber washer inside. No need for Teflon tape or pipe dope. Same here, hand tight, and then just a little bit more. Think of it as a garden hose with the rubber seal. Pop-up drain, remove this. Rubber. Now it has a bevel. You want the bevel to fit that area. When I put this through, this comes with a rubber seal, so there's no need for plumber's putty or silicone. It seals against the inside of this, so you just put it right through. Then the beveled edge right in there. Orientation doesn't matter, it's just a pop-up. The wider end goes up against, mates with that. So I just hold the tail, snug it up. And on this one, literally hand tight. Do not over tighten. You'll warp the washer and then it might leak, and it's plastic. That is sufficient. So we're ready to mount the sink onto the base. To secure the top to the base, I'm going to use this Titebond heavy duty construction adhesive. This is a bit overkill. I don't have any silicone at the moment, so I'll just go conservative. And just a little dab along there, in case somebody ever wants to remove it. It won't be bonded like crazy. We'll hook up the water lines. I just noticed on these lines, the hot is swirled with red and the cold blue. If your plumbing was done correctly, hot to the left, cold to the right. Snug them up. So I have the spigot above. The water valves are off. We're ready for water. Oh wow, it's really dripping. I turn it all the way on, it should stop. That's one thing about old valves and things. Unreliable. Before turning on water, remove the aerator in case there's any debris in the system. Gently turn it on. There's going to be a little bit of air. So, to test your pop-up, just put a little bit of water in there. Just covering the top. And if it leaks, the top will be exposed quickly. It's been a few minutes. Looks good. Let's do a fill. Really nice water pressure. This sink doesn't have an overflow. So if someone leaves this on, walks away, it's going to flood the bathroom. Poor design. Here you got an expensive vanity, and that's what they give you. Let's drain it. Is it going to swirl? Nice. So that swirl, it's needing air, and it can't get air until after the trap. So now I'm checking for leaks. Amazingly, this thing's sealed up. No leaks. So we'll run some water through it again. Nice. Everything's dry. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And if you'd like to see how to install a P-trap, I'll provide a link